Right. So we made it to the health department. You're not going to see much of my face because I'm disgusting right now. But the point of this channel is, what the fuck? I don't know. I just want to show people like shit's real out here, you know? And not everything's scripted. I sure as fuck don't glamorize anything. I don't know. I would say my life is pretty entertaining. I'm sure everybody in the world thinks that, but I don't know. I don't know. You guys decide. So we're about to get checked for STDs.
I don't know. I think that's funny. It's not good.
I don't know what I mean.
I guess I should tell.
Yeah.
Nope, I don't.
I'm 28 years old. Adult entertainment industry. Escort for a little bit. She got mad that I said that. So let's go see what they say. I can. I don't know. This, in a way, kind of seems like a bad idea because I'm showing all the bullshit, but at the same time, people talk shit anyway. Might as well try and get some likes and have YouTube pay me or something, dude. This is actually a nice building for social services. Oh yeah, the government. True. I like it. Look at the windows. I don't know if this is boring you guys. It'll get more interesting. Just stay tuned. Oh, cute. Oh, I should have got headphones so it looks like I have headphones on. Right? You don't have headphones in the car? So nobody really knows I'm recording right now. Or maybe they do, I don't know. It's a lot of people. Alright.